injured as car rams into a tree. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News. In a road mishap which occurred on Sunday, 4 persons were seriously injured when a car in which they were traveling rammed into a tree near Japra Langso IB under Bokajan police station. According to reports, the car bearing registration number AS03Z1594 rammed into a tree while attempting to allow another vehicle that was coming behind to pass over. The injured persons were rescued by passerby and all of them were rushed to Bokajan PHC, but later referred to the Dimapur hospital considering the severity of their condition. Onlookers said the car crashed into a tree as one speeding bike suddenly appeared when the car tried to give way for a tanker truck that was moving toward same direction. The injured persons were identified as Bijoy Kandulana, 50 years old, Roshan Kandulana, 10 years old, Monjit Sonowal, 27 years old, and Lajare Topo, 47 years old. They were on their way to Merapani from Bokajan when the unfortunate accident took place. Subhas Terang's report from Langchathing, Karbi Anglong Live. The street lights in Dongkamukam town lay purposeless due to its poor light owing to its poor material quality. Several solar light posts have also collapsed along the road, and it has also exposed the poor quality of work done by contractor. The solar light project for the Dongkamukam town and Tumpreng were sanctioned under the Atal Jyoti Yojana scheme, but the poor quality of light and work done by contractor has laid bare the poor work being done in the heart of the town, which connects with nearby Hojai town. Locals said when they saw solar work being introduced and implemented in the two towns, they felt very glad with the hope that they would be able to travel at night without any fear and feel safer. But unfortunately, their joy lasted only for a few months as these lights begin to produce bad service. According to locals, the solar street lights have started malfunctioning and giving poor service within 6 to 7 months after solar lighting works were completed. Locals further told Karbi Anglong Live that the solar light posts seemed to have very weak foundation and would not be able to withstand even a gentle impact and would be easily uprooted by a storm. In addition to this, locals also informed that several solar light posts were also seen thrown into the paddy fields in Satgaon area. Following this, locals have urged upon concerned persons and authority to treat the solar lights issue in serious terms and fix the lights issue at the earliest as it could dent the image of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang and MP Horen Singh Bey's image in the entire district. Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. With an aim to create awareness on the need to preserve and protect the natural environment, the biking community of India launched tree plantation drive in several places across Assam as well as India. Likewise, in Karbi Anglong's headquarters, Dipu, the elite royal riders of Karbi Anglong had carried out plantation drive. The bikers team planted more than 450 saplings at Chandra Singh High School, Dipu Boys Higher Secondary School, and also in the campus of Dipu Medical College and Hospital. The initiative in Dipu was led by Bulls of Assam, Dipu Chapter Deputy Chief Rangsina Hanse, Karbi Anglong Motorcycle Club Wojaru Chief Montu Ingti and Chief Samsing Bay, along with Jambeli Club Deputy Chief Bipul Kro. The Safe Art Ride series was started early in 2019 with more than 100 riders coming together to create awareness on the importance of trees to save the environment. The program in Dipu was flagged off from Ru Samson Singh Ingti Memorial Park at around 9 a.m. on Sunday morning. Dipu Central Range ACF Pranab Terang and Assistant Inspector of School Katharson Ingti were present in the flag-off ceremony. The BCI and Apollo Tires sponsored refreshment for the event. Extending his gratitude to the riders for arranging such wonderful event, ACF Pranab Terang said that the rapid depletion of forest cover and the reduction of the numbers of trees had been causing devastating impact on Earth. On the other hand, when a section of people is planting trees, on the other hand, hundreds of trees are being cut every minute by other group of people. He added that if cutting of trees continues to remain unchecked and more saplings are not planted, serious consequences would follow in the future. Bikram Cross report from Deepu, Karbi Anglong Live. The Public Health Engineering Department had a show to connect every household under Borjan MSC constituency with proper water facility. With this aim in mind, the department has started implementation of the Jal Jeevan Mission scheme. The mission launched nationwide by the central government aims that by 2024, every household in India should have a tap water connection. Accordingly, the water supply schemes in Hidipi, Dilai, Langtibuk and Khatkati had also started the work of laying pipelines. PHE department official Ren Singh Timong told our correspondent that once the project is completed, people of the area will no longer fall sick from consumption dirty water. With the pipeline connected to every house, people's time will also be safe. The department had set a target to complete the work within this year.
La JJM aputak mate Jal Jeevan Mission. La si central government, state government la penon dak Karbi Anglong district la so ice scheme mate so project non ang liwom lo. Mate nang lelo la si dak non Dilai hawa longa Dilai PHE scheme long la pen Langtibuk scheme DDP scheme la pen Khatkati scheme la si non dak Borjan MSC constituency long ta non claim pon ikrom lo la si la so lang nang dikete itu dak khaisuri ke do tum no sita la lang ki jun akisung pen lang ake henu ki jun long pen bemara son itum ke long pon la hai itum ke phunang la si non bang sarkar tum bang ka chingwai pon kang si kang chapon pen non la jejema Jal Jeevan Mission har घर जल लासवा आइसक्रीम mang deng pon lo lasi laswa lang aki mi ki jun pen itum okran itum aki mi long po lasi.
Vijay Rongpis report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.